Not yet. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is the day that we're gonna be moving into the new house. So my buddy Jared, Mr. Coach Jared over here, came to the rescue again. He's gonna help us out today. Bobby's still at work, so what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna take the Evo 8 up north.
Dude, I've never been in the Evo 8.
You've never been in it. That's about how much power your car's gonna make.
Yep.
It'll be fun. It'll be fun. We're gonna go take my brother Austin's truck. He's got a Ford Power Stroke with like an 8-foot bed, massive truck, massive bed, and we're gonna get the enclosed as well. Fill it up with all of the stuff that's still at my parents' house, and bring it to the new house. And then we can move apartment to the new house as well. It's gonna be a lot of work.
She's not gonna catch on fire, is she?
I hope not. I don't have a fire extinguisher in here yet. Rap, 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 rap.
Oh yeah, that definitely feels faster than the 10. That's gonna be fun.
That's 360.
360?
Yeah. That's it. That's all you need to have fun.
Bro, that's fun. Yeah, she rips. Oh yeah. That's so crazy. When you hear 360 wheel, like it sounds, oh yeah, it's okay, but it actually feels fast. She does get down. That's fun.
Fun?
Mm-hmm. It was a lot of fun. Oh yeah.
Looks good. Yeah, these wheels are nice compared to the old ones you got on here. She looks good. Nice. You like Daddy's truck?
Yes.
Yes?
Let's go fast.
All right, so this is the old office / bedroom. So everything we need to pull out of here. Dude, I got more pictures I can add in my bathroom.
Oh yeah.
Shout outs to George for that. And then my first bug eye. Dude, those are old school cars.
Is that the Hawkeye in the bottom left that was
This one here?
that the same one?
No, that was just the Impreza.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So we have everything in here. Not much left. Computer right there. And then in this back room is the old storage room. So I still have some stuff on eBay. This is where all of the merch is stored as well. And this whole back room. So everything out of here has got to come out. Built. All right, so we made it to the new house. We got our 2 shelves in here so far. There's 3 more that we're gonna grab, and now we're just gonna start piling stuff back in here that was in the basement of my parents' place.
He's having so much fun.
There's so much room to play.
You little. So this is the current condition of the apartment. She's pretty gutted.
So pretty much we just have to go unload everything we have at the new place and then come back and get. This is like the bulk of everything.
You been having a good day or a rough day?
It's pretty good.
Why'd you sniff?
My allergies. Fam.
Also, here's the plan.
Okay.
I don't have the trailer lights hooked up.
Why?
A little sketchy. I don't have the right plug-in
Oh.
for Austin's truck. So you're gonna follow me.
Okay.
Don't rear end me.
Why do you keep on hitting me in the chest like that?
You're...
You gotta follow behind us.
Okay, let's go.
All right, guys. So it is the next day. We have been moving all day yesterday and all day this morning. So here's kind of what we got going on. We got my little office set up right here. Over here we have, this is where all the inventory is gonna be. As you can see right now, it's a complete disaster. So there's still a ton of car parts in here and whatnot. I need to take care of all that. Some of this is gonna go to the shop. Come upstairs, we have a disaster of a living room. Kitchen is kind of coming together a little bit. Our bedroom coming together a little bit. Bobby's office kind of coming together a little bit. And I don't think I ever showed you guys. What's up, bruh? We also have a pretty damn big backyard, so that is gonna be super nice. Sit out here, grab the barbecue, grill up some stuff. I decided I want a giant desk, so we're gonna go try to find a corner desk that goes in the corner. So it's like this, L shape. We're gonna look for one right now and see what we can find. We also have to go to Costco. Bobby wants a very large rug for some reason. So I didn't have any luck finding my L-shaped desk or the corner desk for the office space, but we did pick up a very nice snap-on air compressor for the shop, so that is pretty dope. This is actually Bobby's dad's, so big shout out to Bob for letting me borrow this while he's not using it. We gotta figure out how to get this thing unloaded by ourselves. Very top heavy, as you guys can see. The motor's on the top. It's gonna be kind of a pain, kind of a chore to get this thing into the shop. And I think it's gonna go right in this corner over here. So I'm thinking, let's see. Oven will probably stay where it's at. I'll probably replace it one day with a little bit bigger, a little bit nicer oven. So oven can stay there, about 3 feet away from the panel. And then the air compressor will probably sit right about here. So let's give it a shot, see what we can do. So after a bit of finagling, we got her unloaded. We do still need to get some outlets put in. So I can't use the air compressor yet. And of course I need to run air lines in the shop to be able to use it, but at least we have one. All right, one last quick update on the house. This is Bobby's office that I'm currently working in because mine is a disaster. Bedroom, bathroom, living room is pretty much finished up. We just have to hang the TV. Kitchen's pretty much finished up. Run down the stairs. My office is a disaster. Computer set up, but I still want that big L desk right there. That'd be super nice to have. And as soon as I am done editing this video right here, we are going to take care of all this. So I'm gonna build, we have 3 shelves in here currently. I'm gonna do one more right here, one down the center, so we'll have 6 total. That should be enough. A ton of this is gonna go to the shop. We're gonna have a packaging / shipping table right here. We're also gonna be having a photo studio set up down here. So I'll probably have it like over here somewhere. Not exactly sure, maybe in a different room as well. But yeah, that's the current scoop on the place, on the new house. Shop's coming together. Finally got an air compressor, so I'm stoked about that. I was gonna wire the shop myself, but it has to be done by a licensed electrician. I did get a quote and it was super expensive. So I'm trying to like figure out what I wanna do there, so yeah. And then the garage is kind of ugly. So I may end up painting it white and throwing up some LED bulbs in here. I think it'd be well worth the $100 to $200 that we spend on that. That'd be nice. How do you like in your house?
I can't breathe. Can I tell
What's
them
wrong with you?
My allergies are super bad today.
It's okay, baby. Everyone's got allergies here and there. It's nothing to be ashamed of.
I know, but I sound and look like death.
That'll be mine. Is this mine for real?
No, it's mine.
You like the new cop though?
The new what?
House.
Yes.
Goodbye.
Peace out, bye.